That right there is Casino Estoril. That right there is the first casino in Macau. That predates all of them. And that's also a copy of it that's in Taipa now, of that little mural right there. Much larger version is on the Taipa side. And we're gonna try to get a little closer to that and check it all out. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Macau's real first casino. Sometimes I hear other people say that it's maybe Lisboa, but that was the first big one. Well, this is the first big one, but that was the first. That's the one that's still existing. But I heard that this one is I guess there used to be quite a lot of activities inside this Estoril casino, and then down there was a lot of Portuguese or Thai, like Thai discos and Thai bars and nightclubs. And I guess that was more when the Portuguese were here, from my understanding. Maybe somebody can correct me, or if somebody wants to be interviewed, I can talk to them about it. Might be an interesting interview to do. And yeah, this Estoril is I think they're gonna make it into something else, a library, I think, something like that. But you can see there's a lot of mold on it. Yeah, the windows, there's no windows. It's kind of interesting that there's no windows like that. Okay, we're gonna walk over there as well. So yeah, the first casino was Estoril. And so when the let me try to get across the street. I want to continue about the Thai connection, because right there's a Thai restaurant called Bangkok. So it's called Bangkok Restaurant. So in Portuguese it says the Bangkok Restaurant, Thai food. And there's some other Thai restaurants down in that area too, down that street. And there's like what used to be hey, that's a new place called American. Hadn't seen that before. Looks brand new. Okay, let's run across. So I heard that, you know, this had a lot more Thai people in Macau back when Portuguese were here. And then when the Chinese came, it became more. There's part of it right here. Let's get across here a little bit. There we go, it goes all the way back like that. Kind of curious if we can walk around it at all. I have filmed on the front side before and kind of poked around a little bit. I couldn't really get too far into it, but I think today I might walk up around it a little bit. Yeah, it's all shut down. It's been shut down for quite a while. I've been here since 2013 and it's always been shut down like that. Okay, so so when this came back to mainland China, then we started seeing a lot of Filipinos and Indonesians, and that's not me seeing it. I see them everywhere now. But I heard that that's what happened when Macau changed from Portugal to China. Got a beautiful little shrine in here. I do want to capture a little bit of that as well. It's really beautiful. It's actively maintained as well. Look at all those beautiful art pieces, artwork. Wow, it's really beautiful. Wow, amazing. Yeah, I really like that a lot. I forget his name. That one I think are Guan Yin statues. Buddha, Guan Yin, I think, and then this one T.O. something like that. Toe. Can't remember exactly. Let's go straight up this way. So we're gonna head up this way. We'll see if we can walk around this building if it's possible. Let's see what's on the other side. I think there's a large swimming pool. But I don't know if it's in this building, but I know there's one on the street that we're walking down right now. But yeah, so the Thai community used to be quite large in the past. This is where we're at, if somebody wants to see where we're at exactly. Strada di Vittoria. And we're gonna try to walk around this building. So this is the first casino here, the Estoril. Look at that. Beautiful. There's a college right there. Yeah, I think this is the entry into the swimming pool. So this might go into what used to be Estoril as well, down that way. So yeah, that's part of Estoril, down all the way down. Tickets. Yeah, this is a swimming pool. So now this is the swimming pool. So this used to be Estoril, the first casino. There's a school right over there. Yeah, this is all a swimming pool now. Piscina, Estoril swimming pool, but it used to be Estoril Casino. So yeah, quite a change. I've been inside, it's real nice. The swimming pool is really large. I guess it's Olympic size, I don't know. We're gonna keep on walking. We'll try to walk around Estoril. So yeah, the first casino is now a swimming pool. And there's a college right next door. So there's a swimming pool right there. You can see a little bit of it. Let's just kind of poke around like that. I think you can see it in there. So there's a swimming pool straight that way. So now that, so I guess the Estoril is actually the other building on the other side there, that gray building. So I guess actually the swimming pool comes up to the back side of it, I believe. But I have been around the Estoril on that side. So let's just see if we can walk around. And now we're not in the Estoril casino. We're going to be moving away from it. But that is it right there, that gray building. I think we're going to be coming around near the police station. The police station is straight down that way. I don't know if we can. Might have to turn the camera off a little bit. We'll do that and then we'll come around the front side. Yeah, we're still on the back side, but I just kind of see these interesting apartments, giant cage like that. It's kind of interesting. And then here's this giant sports. So I guess they turned a lot of this into sports, but I think this is a giant block, so that's just one part of the block. But anyways, we're gonna go all the way around and go to the front. Okay, so I just got around the corner of it. So this is this Estrada de Victoria, and there's a playground right there. But we're gonna go down around and try to get to the front of the Estoril Casino again. And it's kind of interesting just to see what happened to the block, right? It's a giant park right here, Jardim de Victoria. So I'll turn that on when we get up around the front again. So we're still walking. There's a police station right there, so and we're going to be walking. There's a nice park right here, Jardim de Victoria Park, and we're going to come around here. Now we're back on the main road, and so I guess the Estoril is next to the Liceu Chinesa school. So let's get up into the front of it. Okay, so here's part of Estoril right here. So that's part of that casino. We just came down this street. We walked around. There was a school, a swimming pool, different stuff around the back. And then this right here is where the old, that's a swimming pool right on that side. So we're gonna walk up a little bit. But this is the old casino, Estoril. So it looks like a giant parking lot. Looks like it's active. There's cars still using it. There's the swimming pool that backs up to it. And it looked like the wall of it went all the way to the back up there, which was where the swimming pool is at. But this is actually the real Estoril. Last time I was here, I was able to walk behind that. But yeah, let's see what we can see of it. So yeah, this was the first casino in Macau, right here. Looks like the doors are all closed, locked. So people can sit up here, I guess. Sometimes kids play here, I guess, too. A lot of kids. Yeah, now it's all down. Yeah, probably a lot of people used to hang out here in front of the casino. Probably also walk over to that little area too, the top stick. See what we can see in here. It's a lot of trash in there, a lot of spider webs. There's trash in general as well. Even purple mask in there. So yeah, this was the first casino in Macau. So I imagine that one's probably the main entrance, and then get some other entrances here. Yeah, looks like there's a lot of mold. But I did hear they're gonna do something else. There's a broom, so somebody's trying to clean it once in a while. Been maintained in a while. Okay. Keep on checking it out. Tagging. Yeah. That's the iconic sign right there. So that's over in Cotai Strip now in Lisboa, a hotel. They made that even larger just to commemorate the largest casino, and they also put like a replica of the James Bond casino, the one that was out in the ocean when they were filming that one. I know you can see into it a little bit. I don't know if you can see into it a little bit, but see all the way down that way. Yeah, it's pretty abandoned now. Let's see if there's any other spots like that. So this is where we're at right now, Avenida. So if you do want to look it up, that's where it's at. So we're going to try to get across here. So yeah, there's a little Thai area down that way. And that's the Estoril right there, so you can kind of see. And that's the front mirror on that side. Let's try to get a good view of that mural in this video, in this top stick right there. There we go. That's our space right there. Be interesting if I can capture somebody walking in front of it like that right there, right? So you got that little woman walking. One of those could be a good video, good screenshot. Okay, that's the Estoril Casino, and that's Top Siak. Chiquinha.